My lighting is probably horrible, but so can't nobody hear me outside. My lighting is probably horrible, but I did go shopping at Walmart, Dollar Tree, and I think that's it. Let me back so I can be like full in the camera. So I figured, you know, why not show my haul of what I got, and then I think I'm gonna show y'all what I do with the stuff in this video. So let's get to it. So I needed a new pillow because I just like pillows anyway. You can never have too many pillows. So I got another pillow. This is like a different brand. I've never tried this brand. But this is what it is. I got it from Walmart. It was like $7 something, maybe $8 and some change. But this is it. It's kind of firm. Come here. I'm trying to film a video. Thank you.
Stop it!
Zamir.
I don't want my drink.
Okay, but I'm trying to film a video. Can you just take it down like 5 notches? Yeah. So it's firm, but yet it's soft too. So I'm gonna sleep on it. I'm gonna spray it down first before I sleep on it with some disinfectant. But I wanted to try this out. I never tried this brand, so I want to try that out. I got my son some sandals, some dinosaurs. They were $3.98, so they wasn't too bad. I'm hoping he can fit them. If not, I'll just take them back. But that's the size he got. Look what I got you.
Oh, me?
Yeah, got you some more sandals.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a brother.
Huh?
It's brother.
Brother?
Yeah.
Where you? Mama ain't gonna have no more babies, okay? Well, you talking about brother? Mommy is not gonna have no more. I wanted some more house shoes, so these are the ones I got. Hopefully you can see them and stuff. You just slide your hands right through them. These are cute. I wanted like a black pair. They had this one, a leopard pair. Did I say black? If not black. And I think they had a gray pair, but I just got these white cream ones. Got these ones. They got the little crisscross in the front. I don't know how my camera picking them up. Don't look like they picking them up right. I got this brow pencil from e.l.f. I seen this girl on her YouTube channel use this to like do her eyebrows, so I was like, well, let me try it out, see how much, not see how much, see what I can do with it. And I got it in the deep brown. Focus, camera, focus. So I'm gonna see, I think I'm gonna show y'all my first attempt at this. So, and it was only $2, so I didn't waste too much money, but here it is. Hopefully my camera's picking it up right. I also got this from Walmart. I wanted to do a project. Yeah, bling bling. Yeah, but I'm gonna do a project with this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I want to do a project with it. So I got that. And then Dollar Tree. I need some more paper plates because I don't like washing dishes, and if I can avoid washing dishes, well, I got a dishwasher, but you know, some places just meant you can just throw it away in the trash and be done with it. So I got two of them because we go through paper plates pretty quick. I got these to do a project with. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. All the grass.
Yeah.
And I got these right here too. I got 2 of them. I should have got 3 of them, but we're gonna work with what we got. Stop! Wait! Oh no! My Snickers. I did get some Snickers. They sell these for $1. These are the ice cream Snickers. They sell these for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So I got 4 of these.
Mom.
What's up?
No.
So I got 4 of them. Let me go run and put them in the freezer. I showed.
Police right now.
Good luck, pal. I'll be long gone.
It's ringing.
What are you, a fucking Kenyan?
Then I got some of these. These are from Dollar Tree. My son
Mom,
like these a lot. Then I got some aloe vera gel.
Yeah.
Aloe vera gel because I was going to try to make some DIY hand sanitizer. And I think it calls for aloe vera gel, so I got that too. And I think this is good to put on your face as well for moisturizing. So I got that too. That was from Dollar Tree. And I got this gown.
Not shirt.
Just a
Mommy,
lounge in
Mom,
when I get off of
what's this
work.
shirt?
Okay, wait a minute. What you think?
It's mama.
Yep, this mama's.
You
So it's
know
long. This is just a lounge in after I get off of work and just quickly throw something on, you know. And I got this in a large. I like them big because like when you wash them, they shrink. So I like to get extra larges. Then I got this tray from Dollar Tree. This is I just wanted to put like my mail and stuff in here.
Mom, I see
Stop.
that.
What do you do with your sandals?
I don't know.
What you do with your sandals?
Oh, it does smell stuff.
Yeah, go put it in dirty clothes. Thank you. But yeah, I just want to put my meal in this. And I've been looking for a tray. And I was going to pay, like, I think almost like $5 for the same exact tray at Walmart, maybe $6. And I found it for $1 at Dollar Tree. So always check your Dollar Tree because some of the same things that you see in Walmart are in Dollar Tree. Or all of them. So Target, Walmart, what else? So TJ Maxx, most of the time they have the same exact thing in Dollar Tree for $1. Then I wanted some of these trays. I got 2 of them just to put like my utensils in, my knives, my big spoons, serving spoons, whatever you want to call it. Instead of just having them all scattered out in my drawer. But I'll show y'all what I come up with. Then I got my son this cup because he likes Mickey Mouse. So I just got them this drinking cup. Zamir, look what I got you.
What?
Look what I got you. You ready? Come here.
Mom, this is making milk.
Yeah, everything else.
Oh.
Then I got some creamer for my coffee.
Mom, what's this milk?
I got French vanilla.
Oh.
'Cause I've been having a taste for coffee. And I usually only drink coffee on the weekends, and today's Friday. So these glasses. This is what I'm going to do my project in. And I'll show y'all that. And I just got 2 more of those.
Now we do grass.
Then I got these butterflies. I think I'm going to stick them on
Let's see.
something.
Let's see, Mom.
I don't know yet. I feel like a project.
Mom, let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What are they?
I was butterflies on
Yeah,
those
butterflies. You got that right. So I got these. I'm going to do something with these. I don't know just yet.
And then my car's on my friend.
Uh-huh. Then I got these. I think these are like just some fake grass.
Mom,
This is for a project too. So I got 3 of them because I got 3 glasses. And then
Mom, there's a
that's
one.
the other glass. I got 2 more of those. 1 more of those. Then I got this bracelet from Walmart. I'm hoping my wrist is like pretty fat. So most of the time bracelets, I have a hard time getting bracelets that fit because I have like a fat wrist, wide wrist kind of. So I got this bracelet right here. Hopefully y'all can see it good. It was only $4 too. So you can't beat that for $4, I think, because they marked it down. Let me see what the before price
Let's see,
was.
Mom. Wow.
Hold on. It was $9. The before price before they marked it down again was
Let's
$9.
Let's see,
And I think the
Mom.
original was
When
$14.88.
is-
I got my son.
It's me.
Yeah, it's for who is it for? Zamir.
Yeah.
I got him this shirt to go
Yeah.
with these pants right here. I mean, not pants,
it's
shorts.
So cute.
You like it?
Yes.
You like your
I
outfit?
Yeah, I don't want to be.
We might wear it because I think it's gonna be nice tomorrow, so we might wear this tomorrow.
Okay, now we get it.
Okay, you gonna put it in your room?
Yeah.
Okay, he gonna put it in his room. I would like to wash it first though. I got some diamond wrap for a project. I think I'm gonna put it on the project I already did. I got some diamond wrap. This is from Dollar Tree as well. And the outfit that my son got, that was from Walmart. And I think the top was $3.88, the bottoms was $3.88 as well. Then I got these little diamond thingies.
What's the diamond?
Yeah, these little diamond things.
What's the
These
diamond?
were at Dollar Tree. I feel like it's a project I can do with these, so that's why I got them. See the diamonds? And got the rocks. These are for like my project. I just got 2 more of these. Also, I got this rug from Walmart as well. So to put in my kitchen, because I was kind of feeling this country in my culture. I was feeling this rug, color rug for my kitchen. So this is how it looks in there. I was gonna get the wider one, but I was like, no, the skinny one probably look better. So what's that? I've debagged everything. I don't think that's a word, but it's gonna be one today. So I think I took everything out the bags, showed everything. So thanks everybody for watching. I will be back with another video. I don't know what yet. Just stay tuned. There we go. And just stay tuned. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching my channel.
Okay. How is that? Oh.
You gonna put them in the glass too? There you go. Put them in here. Put them. Don't throw them in there. You can put them in there like that. In there, I think I'm gonna put these like on the side.
These are on the side of bring.
So this is the project that I just did. I just threw the rocks in there, and then got the little fake grass. So this is what it looks like so far. I actually like this though, because I wasn't even gonna put these in there. I don't even know what you call these, but I seen them out in the country before. I definitely seen these out in the country, but I definitely like it a lot. And this is a Dollar Tree, all from Dollar Tree. So this is what I got so far with what I just put together, the little DIY I seen on TikTok. So I got it. Just got my knives in here, can openers, potato counter drill looks like. I should have did a before and after on what it looks like, but this is what it looks like.